guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an overnight hair growth spray that you're going to use on your hair to have your hair growing out very fast. And as a matter of fact, this is my natural hair. I just chopped it because I want to grow healthier hair and not have chemicals in my hair anymore. So I'm going to show you this overnight hair growth spray that you can use at night and then have your hair growing like grasses. Yes, so if today is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. Please do consider subscribing to this channel, as well as turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel. Also, to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, share it with your friends, as well as don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is up here and in the description box. Do visit my blog daily for my written home remedies, and then let's quickly get right into the video. Are you looking for safe and effective skincare products that you can use on your skin that won't damage your skin, won't destroy your skin, but will help you achieve a better skin glow? Then check out etoskin.com. You can check out our website www.etoskin.com to order your products from us. We deliver worldwide using DHL. And here I have my fenugreek seeds. This one is the fenugreek powder. I just blended the fenugreek seeds to have the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek has a lot of benefits when it comes to hair growth. So fenugreek seeds here are rich in hormones that promote hair growth. It is a good source of protein and also nicotinic acid that helps to strengthen the hair shaft and also helps to prevent breakage. Fenugreek makes a healthy coating on the hair that protects it from environmental damages and also adds to its shine. To prepare this, I'm going to make use of the fenugreek powder. So I'm going to get a bowl like this, and I'm going to take two spoonfuls of fenugreek powder into my bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to add hot water to this, and then I'm going to stir it just like this. After adding the hot water, I'm going to set this aside and leave it for the goodness to extract into the water. So I'm just going to set this aside for about 30 minutes. After soaking the fenugreek for about 30 minutes, this is what we have. Everything has turned into a mask. This is in semi-solid form. Go ahead and use this as a mask on your hair if you want to use it as a mask, but I'm not going to be using it as a mask, so I'll go ahead and turn this into a fenugreek hairspray. So what I'm going to do is to transfer it into a bowl like this, and then I'm going to add water to it and stir. Add water little by little and stir until it is well dissolved. And this time around I'm not adding warm water, I'm just using my normal water at room temperature, and then I'm going to stir very well like this. I'll add the remaining fenugreek paste to it. And then I will continue stirring this until everything is well dissolved. So I'll add more water to this. After dissolving it very well and there are no more lumps in it, I'm going to go ahead and strain this using a strainer. So I'll be straining this into this cup. So when I pour, I'll use my spoon to add the movement into the cup. This is going to take a little bit of time because I'm using a smaller strainer. So I'll keep the residue aside and then pour in more, and then repeat the same thing. And then because this is taking so much time and I want to make this faster for you, so I'm going to use a bigger strainer that can accommodate more, and I'm just going to pour it in. And then this is what we have in the cup. So I'm going to stir it up very well. It is still very thick, as you can see. It's still very thick and slimy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a few drops of my tea tree oil for extra benefit to that, and it also smells really nice. So it's going to help mask the smell of the fenugreek seed. So adding essential oil is also very good in masking the smell, and it's going to help with your hair growth as well. So this is what it looks like up close. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to get my spray bottle. You can see there was water in this already. I'm going to just open it up like this and pour this into it. I'm just going to pour this in as slowly as I can to make sure it doesn't spill. And here we go. Our hair growth spray is ready. Fenugreek hair growth spray is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and seal this up, and I'm going to show you how to use this. So go ahead and use this on your hair. Use it all over your hair. It's very good. It's going to help stimulate your hair growth, and you are really going to love it. So let me go ahead and show you how to use this exactly. So guys, this is the fenugreek hairspray. If you check the bottom part, you'll see that it is settled already, and this upper part is more watery. And yes, I'm going to be using this all over my hair because I chopped my hair and I want it to grow out as fast as it can. So that's why I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this on your hair as well. So what I'm going to do is to start spraying this all over my hair. As you can see, I'm using a towel already, so it won't spill on my outfit or my clothes. So I'm just going to spray this. Are you looking for safe and effective skincare products that you can use on your skin that won't damage your skin, won't destroy your skin, but will help you achieve a better skin glow? Then check out etoskin.com. You can check out our website www.etoskin.com to order your products from us. We deliver worldwide using DHL. To use my fingertips to massage it deep into my scalp like this. So make sure it touches every part of your hair. So I just want to make sure that I have enough moisture in my hair because I love keeping my hair very moist every time. So I'm going to work this into my hair very well. I just want you to see exactly how to use this and how you should use it as well to grow out your hair very, very fast. So this is what I have used so far on my hair. My hair is not long. It is just a short afro hair because I cut my hair this month, so it is still very, very young. So I'm going to use my fingertips like this, and I'm just going to massage. While massaging your hair, you are going to notice the part that your hair growth spray has not gotten to. Like mine, this side is still dry, so I'm going to go in with more of the spray. And yes, I'm going to massage it gently this way. Make sure you massage everywhere. And then when I'm massaging my hair, I like finger detangling it. So I'll just use my fingers to drag out my hair and detangle it. Especially the back part is very coily, so I have to detangle it using my fingers. So I never knew I had coily hair until I went natural. That was when I noticed that I also have two hair textures. This side is straight, kind of a straight hair, but this side is coily, and it also always falls into each other. So I always have to drag it out with my hands this way. I finger detangle. I don't comb my hair. Normally, without the tea tree oil, the fenugreek is going to smell. It has the smell that I don't really like. I don't know if you like the smell of fenugreek, but I don't like it at all. So that is why adding tea tree oil is going to mask that smell. And yes, you can use this to take this to bed, use this around in the house and nobody's going to get offended by the odor of the fenugreek seeds. That's because the tea tree oil is going to max it and you are not going to have to pass through any of such. So after massaging it thoroughly into my scalp, the next thing that I'm going to do is to go in with my hair bonnet, and I'm just going to cover it up like this. So because it's already in the night, okay, let me check, this is 7:41 p.m. so I'm going to use this overnight. When I wake up in the morning, I am going to wash it off. So this is it. So do go ahead and try this and repeat it as much as you can, as often as you can. So because I'm going to be storing this, I'm going to use it again. I can use it again on Monday. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to use it again on Monday, and then I'll keep on using it. I can use it every day if I so wish, and you too can use it every day if you so wish, and you don't have to wash it off every time. If you know you can leave it there on your scalp, and do leave it there and then use it again on your hair. So I hope this is really going to help you guys. So guys, that was a simple way to prepare your homemade overnight hair growth spray to have your hair growing out very fast. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, as well as subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And then don't forget to grab a free copy of your ebook. It's still down in the description box. Do follow me on my socials. The link remains on the screen and in the description box. And then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.